Welcome to Recipes. Today's recipe is Chicken Alfredo Penne. Ingredients for 6 servings. 1.5 pound chicken breast, cubed. 2 tablespoons butter. Half teaspoon dried oregano. Half teaspoon dried basil. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon pepper. 16 ounces penne pasta, cooked. 1/4 cup fresh parsley. 1/4 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Ingredients for sauce. 2 tablespoons butter. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 3 tablespoons flour. 2 cups milk. Half teaspoon dried oregano. Half teaspoon dried basil. Half cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon pepper. In a pan over medium-high heat, melt butter, then add the chicken breast. Season with salt, pepper, oregano, and basil. Cook 8 to 10 minutes or until chicken is fully cooked. Remove from heat and set chicken aside. In the same pan over medium heat, melt butter and add the garlic. Cook until the garlic begins to soften. Add half of the flour to the garlic and butter, stirring until incorporated. Then add the rest of the flour and stir. Pour in the milk a little bit at a time, stirring well in between, until fully incorporated and sauce begins to thicken. Season with salt, pepper, oregano, and basil, and stir well to incorporate. Add Parmesan cheese and stir until melted. Pour the sauce over cooked penne pasta, add the chicken and mix well. Add parsley and extra Parmesan and mix well. It is now time to eat and enjoy. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when a new recipe is released. Thanks for watching.